Meaning of ferocity.
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 Ferocity. Ferocity refers to a state or quality of being aggressive, violent, or intense. It is often associated with the behavior of animals when they're hunting or defending themselves. In humans, ferocity manifests as an unyielding determination to succeed at any cost or an unrelenting attack on an opponent. When someone acts with ferocity, they are displaying a level of strength and power that can be intimidating to others. This can result in fear, respect, or admiration depending on the context in which it is exhibited. Overall, ferocity is a force to be reckoned with.